Okay guys, so this is an amazing video. Brad just sent it to me. XRS, SkiDoo. You're gonna get to see things you never usually get to see. And stick around to the end, there's a nice little surprise. I'm not. Okay guys, check it out. Look at this track. What's it reading?
Around 8. That's kind of where around you want it.
Nice. You're checking the track tension, obviously?
Yeah, exactly.
Super cool, buddy. Sorry, if it's not in spec, what do you do?
Yeah, then you can just play with those two on each side. There's one on the left, one on the right.
Yep.
Kind of play with that, and that's how you play with your
Adjust the tension on the track.
Exactly, yeah.
Very cool. So we check the tension on the track in the factory here like this. We're gonna start it up. We're gonna spin the track around a few times. And then we're gonna go ahead and check the tension again. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, Phil. The XRS uses, like most of our sleds, uses the P-drive clutch system. Ah, that's a nice clutching system, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Pilot X skis right down there. That's top line stuff, right? Nice skis. Just adjusting the tension on the clutch.
That's right, yeah.
Clutch tool go with the sled when they buy it, I assume?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so they can kind of just...
Yeah, they can make these adjustments themselves when they need to, right? Awesome. On out to get some gas. We're gonna put some fuel in her, and the XRS is gonna get started for the very first time, guys. Here we go! Super exciting! Oh, I can't wait to see this thing fired up for the first time! All right, Phil's gonna put the belt guard back on before we start it up because we want everybody to be nice and safe. We do not recommend that you run that motor and run that belt without the cover on, guys. There's Phil being nice and safe. Good boy. Good job, buddy. All right, guys, buttoning up the other side. Perfect. Look at that. It looks really nice when it's all buttoned up, eh? Starting to look like a sled again. Yay! Here we go. This is it. Listen to her, boys. That sounds amazing. Wow. Hold on, Phil, what did you just say this thing has?
Has launch control.
Oh my God, launch control.
I was playing with it earlier, and I was playing with the settings.
Oh, there it is right there, launch mode. But that just sounds cool. Listen to her. Holy, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, you were right, I wanted launch mode. You were right. Wow, that looks good too. Oh my God, that looks good. Going back in, spun the track a few times, a little tension check. He's gonna check it on both sides. Look at that. Checking a few spots. There we go. Phil knows what he's doing. Looking good. Beautiful. Look at all the features on this. Look at all the features. Comes with a seat warmer, guys.
Your butt's gonna get warm.
Your butt's gonna get nice and warm. Hand warmer, thumb warmer. We're putting a couple accessories on this one too. LED light hand guards. We got a high beam. Yeah. We got an audio and helmet connector kit. This one's gonna be ready for the trails, guys. The communications cord for this helmet.
So you have this whole thing
there it is right
here.
there. Yep.
So you get it plugged right there.
Perfect. And then that goes in the helmet.
Exactly.
Dude, good job, buddy. Give me a thumbs up again, buddy. Good job. Good job, Phil. All right, let's get her lit up and let's see what we got. Oh, wow. That sounds and looks amazing. Oh, yeah, buddy. So how do you control the LED? Oh, wow. Oh, dude. That looks sick, Phil. That looks absolutely sick, buddy. Great job, brother.